Hello guys, welcome back to Error Genie. Today I'm going to show you how to set up Citron Emulator on PC so you can play your legally owned Nintendo Switch games. First, download the latest Citron build from the official page or GitHub. Choose the version for your system. I'm using Windows, so I'll download the Windows zip file. Once downloaded, extract it using 7-zip or WinRAR. Now open the extracted Citron folder and find citron.keys. You can right-click it and create a shortcut, then move that shortcut to your desktop for easy access. Launch Citron. If you see a missing encryption keys message, click OK. Now go to Tools, install decryption keys, and select your legally backed up prod.keys file. After that, go to Tools, install firmware and select your dumped firmware folder. Once installed, you should see the firmware version at the bottom. Next, add your games. Double-click the game list area and select the folder where your game files are stored. Your games should now appear in the emulator. Now set up your controller. Connect your controller by USB or Bluetooth, then go to Emulation, Configure Controls. Select your input device and keep the controller type as Pro Controller. Citron should auto-map most buttons, but you can manually remap anything if needed. Next, open Graphics Settings. Set API to Vulkan for best performance. If your game has issues, try OpenGL instead. Select your dedicated GPU if you have one. You can leave resolution at native or increase it if your PC is powerful enough. For anti-aliasing, SMAA is a good option. To install updates or DLC, go to File. Install files to NAND, select your update or DLC file, and install it. The emulator will refresh, and the content should appear under the game. To add mods, right-click the game and choose Open Mod Data Location. Paste your mod folder there, then right-click the game, open Properties, and make sure the mod is enabled. Once everything is ready, double-click your game to launch it. That's it.